Hey guys, today we are next to Audi Q3 8U and this is a 2.0 TDI engine. Over here is the air filter box and we are going to replace the air filter. Here's the new one. We need to take out the old one, and as far as I can see there are 8 screws that we need to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over here. Not this one, just this and other 6. And we need to use Torx drive. This is T25, I believe. Focus please. T25. But if you don't have it, or maybe you are too lazy to go and find it, you can use pro tip, you can use a flat screwdriver with a 4mm wide head, because I believe this will fit here just perfect, and you can use it as well to remove those Torx screws. So give me a few minutes and I will remove all those screws, and we will then have access to the old filter and we will be able to replace it with the new one. Okay, so all 8 are in this position. You cannot remove those screws because there's a safety feature over there. You will just feel that each screw is loose, but you will not lose them because they are fixed into the air box cover. And right now we need to lift it. We don't need to disconnect the mass airflow and the vacuum line over here. Just lift it slightly, move it to the side, and you can easily remove the old filter and replace it with the new one. Now just make sure that the new filter sits over here well and everything will be sealed properly, and you can close the cover and tighten those 8 screws back over here. And done. Okay, so that's it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, subscribe for future ones, and see you soon.